Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrainingsystem.com, making this small video about indices like S&P 500, Nasdaq and all that, right? So let's get started. This is the chart I made. This is a Nasdaq weekly chart, which I made in March 23rd. Date is right there, right? Why? Because it was an all-time high. All the indexes were all-time high, right? So there was no level or anything out there, so except the Fibonacci. So I use that Fib extension level, right? The most important levels are 127 and 161. So I noticed that after pulling the Fib from here to here, that 127 was about to hit. So when it hit, it's also a channel hit and the 127 exactly. So that's where I made this chart, saying that it's gonna drop. By the way, I had chart made that this thing is gonna drop here, and it did. And then I made the chart that it's gonna go up from here to here. It did, but some more. It went up all the way, right? So all the indices are right on track, yes, with my analysis. So now this one, like you can see that I made the chart on 23rd March, it's going to drop. What happened to this chart as of today? This, right? Exactly from there. Last week, it didn't move much, but this week, right now, it's dropping. And since it's dropping, I had several trades, but just one trade today taken. This is the one I'm going to show here. See that Nasdaq from 100 box size? That's 120 minute is Omar wrote it wrong here. So that's 20, not 20 minute, but it's Nasdaq 100, I guess. Oh, it's Nasdaq. Okay, no. So 20 minute means 20 brick size, right? So sell order is right there. SL moves to break even plus. Beautiful short entry all the way down on 4th April today. Now another indices chart was this S&P 500 weekly chart. Same day I made March 23rd, and it is also 100 FE. FE means a Fibonacci expansion. If you learn the Fibonacci, it's amazing. It works. Sometimes you extension, and sometimes it's expansion and retracement, all of that. So expansion, you can see that A B equal to C D, 100% is right there. It was touched, and as well as the channel upper TL was touched. Right. That's where I make the chart that is going to drop. This is similar as to Nasdaq. I made this chart here, but that is going to drop from 3 to 4. It did, and then I made that where 4 maybe ending here, and then we're going to be bouncing and then going back to maybe a little bit higher than this, and it went all the way there, right? So yeah, so it started to drop, and then what happened to this chart as of today here, right? S&P 500, nice and clean drop from there, and the trade I had several trades, but just want to show you the last one that I just closed is this. You can see that April 4th, boom, all the way down. Right. So as soon as it turns the side to the upside down, it was above the red line. Everything went down below the red line, and then this is the entry. This system, my entry system is so it's in front of you, so it gives a lot of entries. If you miss one, you can always have a chance to take another one. All right, so the next chart was US30. Similar here, similar thing is like there's no Fibonacci number exactly, but channel upper TL just like the other two indices, right? So this was a channel, beautiful touch, and I said, well, if they're gonna drop, this is gonna drop too, but it may have a chance that it might go up one more time again and then drop. See this yellow mark? That's exactly what it did. Look, it went up a little bit, exactly like that, and then start to drop. It went up even higher a little bit, and then start to drop as of today. Just now I record this chart, and I also have this trade still running on that one, and this is the entry. Right, I miss early entries, but I had a couple of trades, small one, but that closed. But this is the one that I'm just showing you that from here and all the way here, right? So this is what is this? This is US30. Now another one was DAX, same thing, right? This was a channel. See, this is outer TL, big channel, but the inner TL it was making, and then this is the TL. So I said, well, it might go up a little bit, hit the channel TL, and then drop. Look what it did. Exactly the same thing. It went up, hit the channel TL, and right now this is the current. I recorded this chart like 30 minutes ago. and it's April 4th and 11 p.m., right? So, but I don't have any trade. I'm not trading this one, right? For last week, this week, I don't have the chart open for my entry chart, like 20-minute, 200 brick size, 100 brick size on DAX. One of these, I'm gonna make space because all of my computers are full. I don't want them to, overload and start freezing. Right, I have three MT4 open on each computer, right? And then each MT4 has several pairs open, and then my indicator, and then my EA running on all of them. So even you have a fastest computer in the world, that is gonna slow down a little bit after all of that, right? So yeah, but I will because it's just the beginning, and it might drop all the way here or maybe all the way to here, right? Looks like the target is this right there, just like that. Okay, so let's see what happened. Also, I made this chart of gold. I've been trading gold, 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 and all long, right? Long, long, long. And I made several videos in last, several days. Every day I made the video about gold and taking the trades. But finally, I made this chart here yesterday, 3rd April, saying that this is the last. I call this ending butterfly. Ending butterfly means that usually this is a butterfly harmonic pattern, but it ends the move either it's up or down. So this was like up, 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 and I saw that this is the one. And going to the upside, I had beautiful trade. I took this entry and I took this entry, both three entries actually. This one, this one, this one. I have trades on all of them. I will show you this. This is going to the upside. Where are the trades? No, trades are somewhere else. Okay. No, they're not here. So this is the one that I made the chart, and then look for what happened just now, today. This one, a short, beautiful from 200 brick size, boom. And then right there is a small 100 brick size chart entry, which my son took it, and Omar, and that is this. You see that this is my entry was there from 200 brick size, and here it came down a little bit. And see this yellow arrow? That's the EA. Most of 99% of my trades that I show you, that it's all taken by my expert advisor. By the way, expert advisor, I don't know if it's there. Let me show you here. No, it's not here. What the heck is that? Uh, Let me see if I have here. Okay. Now this, man, he's always doing something in my website, and then all these different things. Now this is where my expert advisor it for sale, right? CTS5 Live Expert Advisor. But before you even think about taking this one, then you must contact me, and you must be my subscriber, because this is made only for my system that the candle that I'm using, the Renko candles, right? So you must know that how the Renko candles and 200 brick size and 100 brick size entry in gold, and this, and then 40-minute and 20-minute and 7-minute and entry in forex pairs, right? So that works best with the Renko candles. This EA, it works the best, but it worked in those candles. I mean, it might work on others, Japanese candlestick formation, but I don't know, right? So I made it for that system, and then don't take it unless you are the subscriber, or become a subscriber and take this one, so that I can teach you how you can use it, and you can take the trades like me and Omar, right? So yeah, he's getting better every day. So yeah, so this is what it is, and just wanted to share with you guys that indices turning to the downside, and if they continue, they will have a long way to go as a retracement, and then we'll see. But because they are all-time high, right? So we have a very good chance that they will drop significantly. So let's see what happens. Is they start to drop, and I start to take the entry, right? So this is how it is. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, so that you can get these videos on time. And now I let you go, and talk to you guys later.